Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Tune 720BT wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard factory reset back to the out-of-the-box factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these headphones are not pairing with Bluetooth, or they're not syncing with the app, or they're not connecting to something, or they keep disconnecting. Any kind of issues where they're not working right can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The other reason you might want to do this is if for whatever situation where you want to wipe them clean so that you can set them up new, we can go ahead and do that with this. So because we're wiping everything off of it, you're also going to want to go on your phone or whatever you've had them paired with in the past and delete them off of there, because we're going to be pairing them and connecting them again as new. But all we need to do in order to do this factory reset on the headphones is just come in and find this plus and minus buttons, and we're just going to press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, that will cause these headphones to reset to their factory default settings, and then we can go ahead and set them up like they're a brand new set of headphones. So let me know if this worked for you, and if it did, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.